Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute little bumblebee. And I just made him out of, everything is from the Dollar Tree. And I just made him out of pipe cleaners, some little googly eyes, some black ribbon that I picked up during Halloween, and the little pom-pom balls. So I am going to be making a another project, so I'll be doing another video on it that has to do with this little bumblebee. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you do have your bell notifications set to all so that you will know when I upload my videos. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I made this really cute little bumblebee. I think he's so cute. So, and very easy. Anybody can do this, I promise. And if you happen to hear a motor running, it's my husband. He's riding the four-wheeler and he chooses to do it while I'm filming. So anyway, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take pipe cleaners, and you can get these at Dollar Tree. So you're going to want a yellow pipe cleaner and a black one. And all you're going to do is take the two pipe cleaners together, and then you're going to just choose. Now you can wrap this around a pencil if you want, a marker, you know, whatever you want. It just depends on what size bee that you want. This one is just the perfect size for me. It's let's see, he is about 2 inches. 2 inches. So it's just the perfect size. So what I did was I used my finger, and I'm just going to be using probably my first finger here. And all I'm doing is taking the two pipe cleaners together, and I'm folding the pipe cleaners around my finger here. And all I'm doing is just wrapping the pipe cleaner around my finger, just side by side. Don't overlap them. Just try to keep them side by side, going all the way down. Now don't wrap too tight, you don't want to cut the circulation off your finger, but I'm just wrapping this all the way around until I get to where there's no more pipe cleaner left. So just like that, and then I'm just sliding my finger out. So then you have this, and as you can see, you have this end of the black pipe cleaner sticking up. Now I don't know how I managed to make the black pipe cleaner. It must have been longer than the yellow one. But anyway, so there is the body of your little bee. So what I'm going to do is, on this back side here, you can see where the yellow pipe cleaner ends. Well, you can easily just hot glue that down if you want. Or you can just take it and wrap it around the black pipe cleaner. Just kind of, you know, twist it off there. So there's his little bee stinger. And then the same for this end. If you want to, you can just hot glue those two together. Or you can go ahead and just wrap them around each other to secure them on there. It's totally up to you. I'm just twisting mine on there, keeping it out of the way. Okay, so there is the body of our little bee. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is, I'm just taking one of these little pom-pom balls that you get at Dollar Tree. There are 16 in here, and they come in these different colors. And I'm just going to be using the smaller one, the smaller little pom-pom that's in there. And you will have to fluff these because sometimes they come a little bit smashed and wonky looking. So just kind of fluff them up a little bit. And then you're going to just figure out where you want his little head to go. And I think I'll put it right there. So we're going to put it on the bigger side. And I'm just using some hot glue to just squirt a little bit of hot glue around that right there. And then I'm going to take your pom-pom and just kind of smash your pom-pom on there. So I'm just kind of smashing it down, trying to just to get it to stay. Okay, so there is the body and the head and his little stinger. Now his stinger is a little long, so I may end up trimming that off. So here is his little body. So the next step we are going to do is I'm taking some of these googly eyes. Now I got these from the Dollar Tree, and they come in various sizes. So I'm going to take, and this is the smallest size that was in the package. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of hot glue, just put a little daub back there on the back. And then you're going to pick your little bee up and just decide where you want to put his eyeball. So let me go put his little eye right there. There went my hot glue gun. So there's that. And then you're going to take the other one and just hot glue that one on. Looks so cute. Got a little bit of hot glue there, but that's okay. I can pick the little hot glue strings off later. So anyway, there is his little face. He's so cute. Okay, so next I'm going to be making his wings. Now for his wings, I am just using some of this ribbon that I purchased during Halloween, but I'd say you can use, you can find any kind of ribbon at I think Walmart even sells it, but try to find the ribbon that is really thin, that's sheer, so it looks more like wings. And this is the 2.5 inch wide ribbon, but that really isn't going to matter because we are going to be cutting it anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm making his wings. So I'm just going to take this piece of ribbon, and this ribbon is cut to about 3 inches. But I'm just going to fold it in half, and just going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to be cutting a heart out of this. Hope you guys can see. So I'm just cutting basically a heart shape. If you guys remember, as a little kid in elementary school, this is how we would cut our hearts. So there is the little heart. Now it may be too big. I may have to go in and cut it down a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller. But this is how his little wings are going to go. And you're just going to hot glue the wings. It's a little bit long, so I'm going to go ahead and just fold it back over. And all I'm doing is just trimming it down and just making it a little bit smaller. There we go. So this one is a little bit smaller. I'd say, I'm trying to measure it down here. It's about 1.5 inches long. So then I'm going to, and see where I folded it, and this, I want it to lay down flat. So you just turn it over, which is, I want the right side showing, if that makes any sense. But so now I'm going to figure out where I want to glue his little wings on. And I think right back here is going to work. Let's see here. Oh, I got him flipped over. Turn this way. Right there is probably going to work. So with this, I'm going to be using my little silicone fingertip thing because I don't want to burn my finger. So I'm just going to add just one little dollop of glue here. I'm going to take his little wing. I'm just going to put it right there, right on top. And using that little silicone finger because I don't want to burn myself. Oops, sorry. Just pushing that down in there a little bit. And don't worry about the hot glue. You can clean that up later. Now, if you wanted to, you could glue the end of his wing down, but I kind of like mine to be, you know, kind of free flying there. So there is that. That's his little wings. And then now that his, you take this little silicone finger off. His stinger to me is a little bit too long. So I'm going to cut the stinger down just a little bit. Now my husband's decided to ride the lawnmower. So if you hear that, that's what that is. So there we go. There's the little bee. I think he's so cute. If you wanted to, you could give him little legs if you want. Also, maybe some antenna. I think I'm just going to leave mine the way he is because I think he's really cute just like he is. But if you wanted to add an antenna and some little feet, you could. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's really simple, easy, very inexpensive. Even the kids can do it. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!